Hey y'all, it's DH and welcome back to the S3 shop, where today I'm gonna walk you guys through the install of our Polaris RZR Pro R and Turbo R HD stainless wheel scrapers. These things add a ton of value and aesthetics to any machine, so anybody with a Pro R or Turbo R needs a set of these. Let's get to it. Here are the tools needed: a floor jack, jack stands, 1/2" breaker bar or impact, 3/8 drive ratchet, 1/2" drive socket, 19mm, 3/8 drive socket, 13mm. Please note, these wheel scrapers were designed with the stock 15-inch rim in mind. If you're running an aftermarket rim, please be sure to check compatibility with the wheel scraper. The general rule of thumb is if the stock wheel scraper works, so will the S3. The first thing you want to do is place your Pro R in park on a flat level surface. Jack the rear of the machine up and support it with jack stands. Next, take the rear tires off using a 19mm socket and impact or breaker bar. Remove the old rusty wheel scrapers using a 13mm socket and ratchet. Note, match S3 wheel scrapers with the stock one to make sure you have driver and passenger correct. Next, we'll install the S3 stainless wheel scraper reusing the OEM hardware, being conscious of driver and passenger differences. Next, we'll put wheels and tires back onto the Pro R and check for any clearance issues. Enjoy your shiny new wheel scrapers. All right guys, we just finished up the install of our Polaris RZR Pro R and Turbo R HD stainless wheel scrapers. If you guys have any questions or if we can help in any way, don't hesitate to reach out to us at the shop. Thanks again for tuning in.